Hi and hello! Welcome to Casa Buenas here in Hotel Okura. Okay, dito tayo sa Hotel Okura and we're going to taste, no? This wine pairing. Let's go! Wow, Angel po kami. Hi, Angel! Nakita mo si Angel, ha?
You mean the wings?
That's our Angel. Okay, what's this? We have different kinds of these brandies. Yes. Hello, ito po yung Casa Buenas. Ito yung kanilang bar. Okay. That's it, that's it. It's my lovely wife Pam. Okay, walking around. Okay, ito po yung Montes Alpa. Na-try mo na ba ito, Montes Alpa?
Na-try ko na siya eh.
Oo, na-try mo itong kanilang Angus beef.
Yeah, it's so good.
Okay, best, no? Paired with Montes Alpa Malbec.
Malbec, yeah.
Like, what? Try mo. Can I have one? Isa ulit.
Sige, try ko.
Masalan ma. Okay. That's it.
Pwede yung kumain ako nun.
Ha? Wow naman. Enjoy! Yeah! Napakasarap itong itong Angus with tenderloin.
Diba?
Bone marrow, yes. With peppercorn sauce.
Sabi ko
Yeah.
na ako
Super sarap po nito. Paired with Malbec,
Malbec. Okay.
Montes Alpa. Okay.
Okay. Tayo sa kabila. Ano naman ito?
Sa kabila po is ano naman to? This is Cabernet Sauvignon. Okay. Paired with smoked duck breast. Okay.
Let's smoke.
You want to try different ones? You don't want to just stick to one.
So, what's the taste? Okay? Try na. Oh, no, ako.
Try mo. Para mas masarap yan.
Okay, ito po yung pair po niya, no? Cabernet Sauvignon with duck.
Kuya, okay kayo?
Okay, no, okay. Masarap nga ito, grabe, oh. Pati yung ano yun, yung Angus. Okay ito, ha? Oo nga. Ano na ba ito lang? Ha? Pair. Ito okay ito. Mas gusto ko ito kaya doon sa Malbec.
Pero mas white. So white. I-try ko ito.
Try mo ito, kutahin ito. Yeah.
Dito na lang ako. Thank you.
Anna, this is my wife, Pam.
Hi, nice to meet you, Pam.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, Anna.
Anna is from Belarus, no?
You're so pretty. Or a little bit more. Yeah.
Yeah.
A little bit more. Okay, thank you.
You can be an actress here in the Philippines.
Me?
Yeah.
Maybe, you never know, right? One day I wake up, I will be famous.
Yeah. I'll find you a manager.
Yeah, thank you so much commissions.
Okay. Is it good? Okay.
Chili.
This one paired with this, no?
Yes.
What's this?
This is citrus salmon tartare.
Okay, citrus salmon.
Oh my God, no way. He's vlogging, that's why I'm here. I'm the model. He's vlogging. How do you pair it? How do you find it?
How do you find? Good?
That's enough.
Okay.
Comment.
Thank you. Try natin yung dito. Ito. Ito saan ba? Ha? Pero, wow. Try natin ito. I want to try this one. This one. Penoa with, what's this?
Dito ka, dito ka.
Mushroom, herb with truffle.
Chile also.
Yeah, from Chile.
Oh, small one, yeah. Small one. Kasi lahat yun. Yeah.
Okay, try that one.
And then this one is
Caramelized mushroom and herb mochi with truffle. Yeah. Dali natin doon. Nasing na rin ako eh. Ha?
Ang dami.
Ikaw naman.
Ang dami kasi.
Dali lang. Hilo na ako eh. Panganin ko na yata ito eh. Ha? Dali mo muna doon. Ha? Okay.
Okay, last one na.
Last one yan? Are you sure? Okay. Tingnan natin. Last one mga araw to.
Last one na ba?
Yan, try ko rin yan. Okay.
Ikaw na yata ang lasing labi. Baka
Ha?
madami na.
Hindi, buti ba lang? Yun yung ano nila, yung dessert. Ako, video mo rin ako.
Ito yung ano yung pera.
Ito yung ano?
Ano yan? Anong wine yan? That is from Pinoa from Chile. Okay? I-try mo dun sa ano pair niya. The ano.
Compare na yung what's this?
Ano bang wait. I'll check. Ito yung pair. Caramelized mushroom with herbs. Ano? Kamusta?
So sarap dito.
So sarap.
Yeah.
So sarap-sarap.
So lasing na rin ako. I tried already 6 kinds of wines. Enjoy. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Doña Tina, for the treat. Yeah. So, let's go.
Okay.
Nahihilo na ako.
Nahilo na.
Okay, what we have here is dessert wine. Grabe. Masarap dito. Ha? So, ito pa kailang mga dessert. And wine that goes with this dessert. Hoy, dito ka muna. Kailangan ko ng model.
Hi! Welcome to the vlog!
Okay, ito pa natin mga sexy models. Okay, what's that? Wow, what's that?
Saba yun.
Ha?
Saba yun po.
Saan ihahalo yan?
Dito po sa fruits.
Dito? Okay, good. So dito wala akong naka-mix, no?
Wala po.
So i-mix
Wala po
siya
may
ngayon?
kukuha, tsaka-
Pag may kukuha, sige, pingin yung isa.
Dapat po warm po kasi isa-sir.
Yeah, okay, good. Okay, good. That's it. So ano ang ingredients nito?
Egg yolk, sugar po, tsaka white.
May white wine. Okay. Hello. You better try this dessert wine with the dessert.
Wow! What's this? Saba yun.
Grabe. I'm full already. How about you?
I'm full, but I still get some.
Okay, good. Okay, this is Montes Alpha Charm and Rain. And this was paired with caldereta. Caldereta muna ng cheese. Okay, let's try this one. Ano na yan?
Pills, para hindi makabuntis.
Hindi makabuntis?
Oh, mabuntis.
Paano
Mabuntis.
Gusto niya ka mabuntis eh. Kasi mo paano kayo niya?
Okay lang eh.
So proud of you.
There's my lovely wife, Pam. Lasing na po. Nagkakalat pa ng mga pills. Ano yan lang? Ang tawag dyan? Pills para makabuntis.
Pills, para hindi mabuntis.
Kailangan namin mabuntis eh.
Hindi na po makakabuntis.
My lovely wife, Pam po yan. Lasing na po. Oo, na pinaggagawa, na pinagkakakalat. But still lovely, okay? Oh, nagis nga!
Chinese.
Oh, ano ka na naman? Pumoporma ka na naman dyan. Nakakita na naman ano, Angel, no? Oh. Pumoporma ka na naman dyan. Saka na ang hair.
Compare ng caldereta.
Ano dyan? Ano? Kamusta si Butch?
Idol eh.
Idol.
Papa Butch.
Halika na. Mag-women's time because of it. Meron ka, di ba? Kulay.
Let's go. Picture na natin itong mga angels ko. Okay. Kaya magsusot ng wings. Susot ng wings. Alright. Dito ka. Dito. Dito siya kasi. Okay. Lovely wife, no? Pag naging angel na po siya, yan po yung tsura niya. Alright! Sit! Ay, tingin ka rito. That's it. Easy. All right. Ay, no. Side view. Legs, can you legs, your legs? Yeah. Yeah.